Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Crazy Gamer. In this video, we will be learning how to join a clan in Golf Clash. If you want to join a clan in Golf Clash, launch open the Golf Clash application first on your mobile device. Now, once you are done, tap on the clan button at the bottom right corner, this one over here, and then from this page, you can join into a clan or create a new one. To join into an existing clan, make sure that you're inside the Join tab. You will see a list of recommended clans that you can join into. Simply tap on one of the clans and then click on the Join button in green once you end up in the clan profile. After tapping on Join, you have now joined into a clan. If the clan is open, you can join in instantly, but if the clan is invite only, you need to tap on Request to Join and wait for the approval from the clan member. Once accepted, you'll become a clan member and can start earning clan points and rewards. So that's how you easily join into a clan in Golf Clash. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.